So for the second part of number 10, we remember our empirical formula. It says find the empirical formula if not given to you. Well, we just figured out we had C3H6O2. So calculate the molar mass for this empirical formula. So my question actually says if the unknown compound from above, so from 10A, has an experimental molar mass of 450.5 grams, what's its molecular formula? So I know the empirical. So next I need to know how much would the empirical formula weigh? So 3 times 12.01, 6 times 1.01, plus, there's plus here, not a times, that'll make a big difference, plus 2 times 16. So if I go ahead and add that up, it's not going to be anywhere near that 450, but let's see what we have. 3 times 12.01 plus 6 times 1.01 plus 2 times 16. So I've got 74.09 grams per mole is all this empirical formula would weigh. So the molar mass of my actual stuff is much heavier. So this is definitely going to be a multiple. So 450.5, how many times heavier is that than 74.09? If I go ahead and divide it, I come up with 6.08 or 6 times heavier. So that means I'm going to take this formula times 6, and my molecular formula is actually C18 H36 O12. Seems like a big molecule, but in the world of chemistry, not really that big. And that's molecular formula. Compare your empirical formula and what it would weigh to what your actual compound weighs.